The interior space has been ingeniously designed to offer incredible flexibility. The combination of clever, durable, premium materials combined with intuitive technology makes this SUV an obvious choice for the everyday modern family who demand more from life. Versatility is at the heart of the Discovery Sport. The interior offers a variety of seating configurations. Whether you need to seat 7 people or wish to utilize the full capacity of the load space, you are sure to be able to travel with exactly what you need. The new Discovery Sport has a range of state-of-the-art connected technologies available. The remote app allows you to communicate with your vehicle via your smartphone from wherever you are, from locking or unlocking the car, to locating your last parked location, and even setting the interior climate. At the center of this interior lies the sleek Touch Pro screen interface, controlled either by touch or voice activation, and a 12-inch high-resolution interactive driver display which can be tailored to your requirements. Discrete, intuitive storage solutions can be found throughout the interior. Wireless phone charging keeps your smartphone topped up, and a 4G Wi-Fi hotspot provides everyone with the connectivity to stream movies or browse social media. New to the range is the ClearSight interior rear-view mirror. This innovative technology uses a discreetly positioned camera to ensure you have a clear line of sight, even when the rear space is fully loaded. The state-of-the-art Meridian surround sound system immerses you in rich and luxurious sound with the fullness and clarity of a live performance. The hidden till lit capacitive steering wheel switches, interactive driver display, and new full-color head-up display, which remains clear even in direct sunlight, ensure the driver has all the information they need immediately to hand. The Smart Settings feature recognizes you through a combination of your phone and key as you enter the vehicle, and automatically reconfigures the driving seat and can prompt your media choices to your preset personal preferences.